Hey guys, today is the first time I'll be doing a painting with my puppy next to me. Her name's Kalahari and she's a little black lab. So, today I'm using High Flow on a stretched canvas. I'm starting with Phthalo Blue and spreading it with my squeegee. Now I'm just spraying some water all over the paint. This just allows the pigments to blend and run, and it's easier to work with. Now I'm using Cerulean Blue Hue. And spraying it with cold water. I also use hot water in my spray bottles. I find that it dissolves pigments faster, so it depends really what outcome I want, but using hot and cold give different effects. Now I'm using a catalyst wedge to spread the paint. There are 6 catalyst wedges, and this is a number 1, which is my favourite. Now I'm using the colour Nautical, and this will be my highlights. Now I'm adding some ultramarine and spreading it with cold water. Now I have everything mapped out, I'm just misting the canvas. This also helps the pigments blend into each other. If you want a really fluid outcome, then use more water. If you don't want it so fluid and you still want a bit of structure, then hold back on the water. With the Nautical, I'm adding some more highlights. And I'm creating some depth with Carbon Black. And then spraying it with water to get rid of the harsh lines. I'm now coming in heavy with the highlight and using Nautical. Followed by a cerulean blue hue. No, I'm not actually sitting on Kalahari's head, although it does look like it. So I'm using my Catalyst wedge just to soften the edges. Now I'm just fine-tuning everything and making sure things are where I want them. Where I want softness and where I want harshness. In this painting, I want my dark, cool colours to be quite striking and harsh, and then the light colours to be quite soft and fluid. The canvas felt a little unbalanced to me, so I'm just adding some phthalo blue. I do apologise for the glare on the painting. I didn't realise that during the painting the sun would be directly above me and shining through the skylight. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to be notified when I have a new video up on my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at Julia Deva Art. I do a lot of giveaways with some fantastic art supplies. Be kind to yourself and have a great day.